Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Cheese and bread is a classic combination. By using these two, you can whip up an ultimate sandwich, which is everyone's favorite. A grilled cheese sandwich needs no more introduction, so let's see how to make it. The taste, flavor and the texture of the sandwich depends on the cheese that you're using. So I'm going to be using two kinds of cheeses today. One, I've taken some freshly grated mozzarella, and I'm also going to use some cheese slices. So in this grated mozzarella, I'm going to flavor it a little bit. I have some finely chopped onion, just a little bit of coriander leaves or basil, parsley, anything that you have at home you can add, 2 green chillies and 1 teaspoon of Italian pizza seasoning. Let's mix all these ingredients together. You can make the sandwich in a griller, but I'm going to be making it on a pan. So when you're making it on a pan, I'm going to give you one tip. Just lightly toast the bread slices in the toaster just for a few seconds so that you get a nicely toasted crispy sandwich. So let's assemble the sandwich now. Take your bread slices. Let's apply some butter on it. Let's flip them over. Next, I'm going to place a cheese slice. Let's load it up with this mozzarella mix. Slightly press it down. Let's apply little butter on another slice of bread. Keeping the buttered slice up, let's cover the sandwich. Let's do the same with the other one. And these sandwiches are ready to go on a pan. Once the pan is nice and hot, let's place the sandwich over it. Buttered side facing the pan. Let's cover it with a plate and place some weight over it. And let this cook on low heat till one side is brown. Let's check on this. Same way, let's cover it and cook it on the other side as well. Let's check on this again. Beautiful. The other side needs a little more color, so I'm just going to let it cook for a few seconds. This side is done as well. Let's get it out. And let's place this other sandwich to roast. Let's get this out and cut it. A grilled cheese sandwich is the ultimate comfort food. Nothing satiates your hunger like this one does. So do try this at home, comment below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.